Good morning. So here's a quick tour of the VintageCoach Sling Bag. The style number is 9710, and as you can see, the color is white. I'm not sure if this would be considered bone or just white, but I guess seeing the color should give you a pretty good idea of what it looks like. So I'll go ahead and give you a 360 now. This one's in pretty good condition. It does have a few marks, but nothing really major. As you can see, there's one right there I'm pointing at. Maybe a few others, but nothing really obvious. A little bit of spotting right here, but you can barely see that. So this is a shoulder bag as well. It's pretty small. I would say it's probably close in size to a dinky bag, or a little bigger maybe than the casino. I'll show you the bottom. It's a little thicker than the casino bag. And then it's also got a one-sided hang tag, which you can see right there. And then this is what it would look like hanging. Try to show you on camera. And then I'll give you a view from above the bag as well here. So here's a quick look at the top of the bag, or the front, and I'll go ahead and show you the inside of the sling bag. So as you can see, it does have some minor discoloring here and then some sort of mark right here, but of course when the bag is closed you can't really see that when worn. And then also, I believe this bag is from the 70s because it has this Coach stamp here instead of the traditional creed that we see more often now. And I'll try to show you the inside. It's kind of hard to hold it up one-handed, but as you can see, the inside's pretty clean, especially for a bag of this age. And it's got a zip pocket inside right there, as you can see. So that's about it. Go ahead and close this. Oh, and this is of course a brass turn lock closure there, and then I'll show you, this is also brass here, this buckle for the adjustable strap, and I'll give you one other quick look at the hang tag here if I can get it. So here's the back and then the front. So that's about it. I'll go ahead and if you're watching on YouTube, I'll go ahead and link this bag below in our Etsy shop. If you want to check it out, you're welcome to, or if you're watching on Instagram, our store link is in our bio, so feel free to check it out if you like. And also please feel free to leave any questions or comments in the discussion comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.